That entire product ad, every frame, was built inside one free Google AI tool. No camera, no studio, no production budget, just prompts and knowing how to use them. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I built it, scene by scene, image by image, so you can do this for your own brand or your clients. Let's dive in. Google Flow is Google's all-in-one AI creative studio at flow.google. Two models power everything. Nano Banana handles image generation, completely free, unlimited. Veo handles video generation. You get 100 welcome credits when you sign up, plus 50 free daily credits just for logging in. Here's the workflow. We generate each scene as an image first using Nano Banana. Then we feed that image into Veo as an ingredient, so every video clip is visually locked to the image. Same lighting, same color palette, same mood across every scene. 3 images, 3 clips, 1 ad. Let's build it. Scene 1. The product reveal. This is your hero shot, the image that stops the scroll. When I write prompts for product photography, I think like a photographer. Here's the exact prompt I used. Pause and copy this if you want to follow along. That is a strong first result. Dark, dramatic, premium. But let me show you something. I want the bottle to feel even more isolated, more mist, less background clutter. So I tweak the prompt slightly and regenerate. Now we take that image straight into Veo as an ingredient. This is the key move. By feeding our Nano Banana image to Veo, the video stays visually consistent with what we just generated. Watch this. For the video prompt, think like a cinematographer. What is the camera doing? What is moving? What is the atmosphere? Here is the prompt. Your static image just became a moving cinematic clip. That is the kind of content that gets saved, not just liked. Scene 2. The pour. This is the moment that makes people feel something. For beverage brands, the pour is everything. Here is the image prompt. See the difference? Same base prompt, one small addition, completely different level of drama. That is the refined mindset. Your first generation is a starting point, not the final answer. Always look at it and ask, what is one thing I can push further? Same workflow. Select the pour image as the VO ingredient, write the motion prompt. Slow motion pour content is one of the highest performing formats on Reels and TikTok because it triggers the senses. People can almost taste it. That is what great product content does. It sells before a single word is read. Last scene, the payoff. The glass is full, the product is at its best. This is your closing shot. Quiet, beautiful, confident. Here is the prompt. Good first result, but I want more drama on the condensation. Let me add one more detail to the prompt and regenerate. Final clip. Same workflow. Select the payoff image as the VO ingredient. Slow, still, confident. That is your closing shot. The kind of ending that makes someone want to buy, or at minimum save the video for later. Now the best part? Scene builder. All 3 clips are already in the timeline. We arrange them in order, add transitions, and preview the complete ad. Watch how the story flows. Reveal the product. Show it in action. Land the closing shot. That is the structure of every great product ad. And you just built it with AI inside one free tool. Export the complete ad as MP4, but here is the smart move. Export the 3 individual clips separately as well. That one Google Flow session just gave you 4 pieces of content. Where each one goes. The full ad runs on Facebook video ads and as a YouTube Shorts teaser. The pour clip is your Instagram Reels and TikTok content. Sensory slow motion always performs. The reveal clip works as a product page hero video. And the payoff clip is your story ad. Quiet, premium, direct. Quick credit tip. Always test a shorter video clip first, refine the prompt, then generate full quality. Your 50 daily credits go much further when you work smart. And that is the full workflow. Nano Banana for your images. Free, unlimited, your creative foundation. VO for video. Uses your image as an ingredient so every clip stays visually locked. Scene Builder to chain it all into one complete cinematic product ad. 3 scenes, 1 story, 0 production budget. Your action step right now, go to flow.google, sign in with your Google account, claim your 100 welcome credits, and generate your first Nano Banana image. Describe your product like a photographer would. Surface, lighting, mood, composition. See what comes out. Save your best result because that becomes your portfolio piece. This is ACMC AI Academy. We don't just teach AI tools, we help you turn them into real income. See you in the next one.